opening the historical picture scroll of Chinese milling industry. XCMG always bears the important responsibility as the pace setter, raises the flag of sharp rising of national milling machine industry, has forged out a road to the foundation of nations. From 1999 to 2001, in a way of combining independent research and development and technology introduction, XCMG started the domestic milling machine manufacturing. BG10 and BG21 became soon the best-selling in domestic market. From 2002 to 2006, the second generation of XCMG milling machines, represented by XM200 and XM100, had been formed through technical upgrading, reaching the international advanced level in power matching, man-machine engineering, maintenance and other aspects. 2007 to 2009, the third generation of milling machine, represented by XM50 and XM130K milling machine, has been formed. The series of milling family members expanded to 5 models, breaking the foreign monopoly, quickly occupied the domestic market. From 2010 to 2015, the fourth generation milling machine products, represented by XM200K, XM100K and XM50K, have been completed. This series of products have been fully developed, truly realizing the leap forward development of domestic models. In 2016 to 2017, completed the technical upgrading of the whole series of milling machines and formed 3 categories: 7 types milling width and 12 types of plainness, fully meeting all kinds of construction conditions. Since 2018, the new generation of XCMG milling machine, represented by XM200K2, XM220K2, XM1205F, XM503K, equipped with a new type of quick change tool apron and vacuum dust removal technology, have been launched. With the 20 years constant ingenuity and the concentration of original aspiration and the continuous evolution of technology, innovative transcendence, XCMG has shouldered the development flag of domestic milling machine, became a leader in the field of milling machine, won the recognition and trust of many customers at home and abroad. The products have been sold in distant markets such as Europe and America, Southeast Asia, Africa, South America, and other countries and regions. XCMG milling machine leads the direction continuously with the 6 great industry-leading product technical advantages, so that XCMG became a trustworthy domestic brand. The control console of 2-meter milling machine can display the leveling depth, engine parameters, fault information, operation cubic number and maintenance information in real time through the super large human-machine interaction interface. Multifunctional operation joystick ensures flexible control the whole machine's walking and steering. High-precision automatic leveling system ensures the smooth surface of milling pavement. Small and medium milling machine control console, commonly used control button reasonable layout around the seat, easy to operate. The seat with high shock absorption can effectively reduce operating fatigue of the operator. High engine power combined with 3-speed intelligent control the whole machine milling efficiency is greatly improved. Intelligent sprinkler system can automatically adjust the amount of sprinkler water according to different working conditions. Power transmission components of international famous brand that has been tested for a long time provide powerful guarantee for the high efficiency and reliable construction of the whole machine. The hydraulic differential speed anti-slip system of 2-meter milling machine can automatically change between 2 anti-slip modes according to the construction speed and steering mode, greatly reducing the slip ratio. Multi-steering mode realizes 4 kinds of steering control. Manual and automatic control can be switched freely. The walking system realizes stepless speed regulation within the range of 0 to 84 meters per minute. With minimum turning radius and good trafficability, the small type milling machine is suitable for milling operation in narrow area. The well cover milling construction can be completed within 1 to 2 minutes. XCMG milling machine can be equipped with a variety of milling drums, ranging over 6 by 2 mm fine type, 18 mm standard type, and 25 mm economical type to achieve different milling effects. The 2-meter milling machine is equipped with 850 mm wide conveyor belt, strong feeding capacity up to 375 cubic meters per hour, and it can fill up a standard skip car in 4 minutes. The feeding belt can swing to 45 degrees from left to right and has good mobility. The stepless feeding speed regulation can switch between low wear and high capacity. Small milling machine can be installed optionally with long and short conveying belt for different skip car. Conveyor belt can be mechanical folded. Single person can complete the folding operation. The conveying length is shorter. Large opening engine upper cover and side door provide enough space for daily maintenance. Standard high-pressure flushing system can quickly and efficiently clean the whole machine, guarantee reliable construction. The quick change tool holder system has complete independent intellectual property right, achieves convenient removal of tool bit, improved replacement efficiency, low labor intensity. The lubrication point, filter element and maintenance inspection points are arranged reasonably within reach to reduce the labor intensity and facilitate the maintenance. Quality comes from the field. XCMG milling machine manufacturing base integrates the automation, integration and intelligence. Has 6 great industry-leading advantages, holding up the solemn promise regarding the lean quality. Most advanced intelligent CNC equipment group effectively guarantee the quality of plate processing. Welding robot cluster of the highest degree of automation ensures the welding joints with perfection, beautiful shape and high structural strength. Industry-leading efficient automated processing technology ensures high precision and reliability of large structural parts processing. The leading production line of environmental protection powder spraying technology has greatly improved the anti-corrosion performance of products and effectively guaranteed the overall coating quality. Industry-leading milling machine assembly line with informatization, intelligence as the support of the lean manufacturing model all round satisfy the market demand for high quality and delivery. International leading online testing technology application realizes digital monitoring of commissioning process. Set up a set of traceability quality files for each outgoing product. From the view of world-class internationalization, XCMG milling machine deeply practices the whole heart service brand commitment. 800 service stations around the world have been founded. More than 100 professional maintenance service personnel are 24 hours on call. Relying on the 400 Customer Service Center on the CRM Information Management Platform. 15 minutes response time for key areas above provincial level. Service and parts arrive within 2 hours. General fault case completed within 24 hours. After years of creation, we formed a mature system of value-added services and solutions, providing customers with a full range of value-added services, including construction technology support, driver training, equipment leasing, machine repair, free alternative machine during repair period, counter purchase, etc. Join hands with XCMG together for our success. Big road goes far, big duty on the shoulder. XCMG milling machinery will always adhere to the industrial dream that national brand got to the world. Persevere to meet customers' needs for value. Focus on profession. Continuously contribute to social progress. We look forward to our cooperation and common success.